In naming chemical formulas, we should consider what kind of element or elements we are naming. If it is a non-metal, metal, or transition metal. If a formula is given by a metal followed by a non-metal, then the element in a metal form would remain as its name, and the following non-metal would be changed with the suffix of IDE. For example, NaBr. Na is some symbol for sodium and Br for bromide. Since sodium is a metal, it would be still named as sodium. And Br is a non-metal, that is why we need to change its name and replace the latter letters with IDE. Bromine will now become bromide. So the name of the formula NaBr is for sodium bromide.
If a formula is given by a transition metal followed by a non-metal, then the name of the formula would depend on the charge or the subscript of the following element. This can happen by inserting Roman numerals in parentheses after the name of the said transition element. Let's say, for example, we have COS. The symbol CO is for cobalt. Cobalt is a transition metal, meaning we have to look at the preceding element. The symbol S is for sulfur. Sulfur is a non-metal which has a negative 2 charge. If we cross-multiply it, then we can achieve at the name of cobalt 2 sulfide. Note that the sulfur is a non-metal, meaning we have to change the latter letters to IDE. So this formula is named cobalt 2 sulfide. The Roman numeral indicates that there are 2 negative charges of sulfur. Next, we are going to teach you about writing chemical formulas. In writing chemical formulas, we should also consider what element are we going to find the formula. Example, we have calcium nitride. The symbol for calcium is Ca. Next, nitride. Since it ends with IDE, we can conclude that it is a non-metal. So nitride is from nitrogen, and nitrogen has a symbol of N. After identifying the symbols for elements, we are going to find their charges. Calcium has a positive 2 charge, and nitrogen has a negative 3 charge. If we are going to use the cross-multiplication process, we can achieve the Ca sub 3 N 2. So, the formula for calcium nitride is Ca3N2. Now, it's time for writing formula for polyatomic ion. Example is magnesium cyanide. The symbol for magnesium is Mg, and its charge is positive 2. Now, as we can see, cyanide is a polyatomic ion. And if we look at a table which has a polyatomic ion list, we can see that cyanide has a symbol of Cn and has a negative 1 charge. If we are going to cross-multiply it, Mg or magnesium will have 1 subscript, meaning there is no need for us to write 1. And cyanide, which has the symbol of Cn, will now have a subscript of 2, since magnesium has a charge of 2. So, the formula for magnesium cyanide is Mg